Hello everyone, good morning. In this tutorial, we will learn how can we manage a simple project by using Notion database. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, we will use a Notion database for the purpose. If you go to Notion, just click on add a new page. Let's say project name is demo project. And we will create add an icon. Let's change our icon. We'll add a cover, random cover. You can change the cover from here, or you can reposition by drag the image. I'm good with this one, save position. After that, here you can see you can start with empty page with icon or empty. You can import from any template, or you can import from your own template. We'll create a database here. Here is the database section. You can see we'll click on table. Okay, let's say in this project we will use this database for our issue tracking or issue management. Okay, so here is the columns. You can add as many columns as you want, and you can define type to these columns. Let's say first column is for our issue name. It's the title. Okay, I'm good with this. Okay, issue name. Okay, next one, let's say it's the issue type. It will be a multi-select. No, it will be a select. And type will be okay, we'll go for the type later. And issue date, it is, I think it's a date format. Issue date. Then the status of the issue. It can also be a select format. Okay, then assign to. It can also be a multi-select. Okay, multiple person can work in a single issue. That's it. So let's say our issue is call to action button is not working. Say let's say it's a what type of issue it can be. You can select an option from there, or you can create one. Let's say it's a design issue. Issue date today. It's creating problem. Status is pending. Pending. Okay, and assigned to is, let's say, ribbon. Okay, another issue, maybe contact us details is wrong. It's data issue. Let's say it's data related to data. Issue date, let's say it was raised yesterday. It's issue also pending. Assigned to, let's say, John. Okay, let's create another issue. Data export not working. Let's say it's also a data related issue raised today. It's let's say it's work in progress. Assign to, let's say, Ripon. John also. And let's say another issue, profile picture not showing. Let's say it's a design issue, raised, let's say 22. It's solved already. To John. That's how you can create a database for issue tracking, and you can also add multiple views to the issue. Let's say you want to see this as board. Create. Here you can see data, design, no issue type. If there are another type, you can see that there. Okay, and let's say properties. Okay, you want to check all the things from here. You can choose the properties, and let's say another issue, you can add another type, new group type, Dave. You can also drag this to groups. Okay, let's say you can go to the table view again. You see another type, this type is added as issue. You can switch easily the view from here. You can see as board or you can see as table. And also, let's say you want to add details for this call to action button is not working. You can open all the field, all the issue as page. You can write comment here. And you can use this page as a regular page. You can add all types of things. Let's say call to action button is not working. You can go to, it's added as a page. Let's delete it. Already added another page. Something wrong here. Delete the page. Let's type it out. Let's write some details. You can make it as a heading and find it that. Write for the details. In banner, call to action button is not working. Okay, you can add additionally, image or anything like that, any attachment. You can do that here. You can go back to the project. That's how you can do your easy project management by using a simple database in Notion. That's all. I see you in next one. Bye.